Risk tolerance. What is it? Today on Elements in Focus, we're going to cover risk tolerance, looking at it through a lens of our investment playbook. I've got Jamie Burton. She is our vice president in our Lafayette, Indiana office, a partner with FEG, and a longtime advisor on our team. Jamie, let's dive right into risk tolerance.
Yeah, so risk tolerance is a conversation that we have regularly with the families that we take care of. And especially when we have new families coming in that haven't worked with us before, they have this preconception that risk is very much associated with age. They say, I'm getting up to retirement, I'm about there, so I really need to take a step back from all of this risks that I'm taking in the market, and I just need to be totally conservative. And that is a conversation that we really have to pull them back from and explain to them how we look at risk and what risk actually means to us. So, age does matter, but it's only a small equation of the full story of what we're looking at. So, although we are looking at age, we're also looking at how long are you going to need this money to last for you? Are you retiring at 60 and you have pretty good longevity in your family and you plan to live until age 90? Well, that's a really big consideration that we are going to look at. If you go all conservative in that situation, there's a pretty good chance that you could run out of money depending on how much you've saved. That's another key thing that we want to look at. How much have you saved? Have you saved 500,000 or have you saved 3 million? Those are going to be two totally different scenarios when we're looking at how much risk that we need to take for that specific family. And then we also want to get a really good gauge of their temperament of the market. Can they handle some swings up and down, or do they get to a point where the market's 20% down and now they're losing sleep at night? So we really want to take all of those considerations into play and determine how much risk should we be taking for this family. If you're somebody that has a portfolio that's a few $1,000,000 and you have a pretty low standard of living, a pretty low cost of what it takes you to live from month to month, there's not a lot of money that you're going to need to pull out of these portfolios. So you can stand to take some more risk than somebody who has, say, maybe $500,000 and now they have 100,000 standard of living. Well, that's a pretty big difference compared to what they're living off of compared to what they have saved. So the risk conversation is very, very different compared to what kind of situation that you are in specifically. So if we want to look at it from an illustrative way, you can think of it as taking a road trip. Risk isn't determined by the age, it's determined by how much gas you have and how far it is that you're trying to go on this road trip. So, a 70-year-old that has $5 million may be able to make more investment risk than a 50-year-old who needs every single dollar that they've saved just to retire for a few years. So, the question really isn't how old are you? The better question is when do you need the money? How much do you have? And then how comfortable are you with the market ups and downs? That's what determines the true risk tolerance that you have.
Very well stated. I like the end where we're putting that into perspective by the road trip, because we take people on a financial journey. And so that journey is helping get them through their life after work. One of the things that Jamie mentioned that is vitally important is risk tolerance is very general when we look at it from a broad perspective, but we need to customize it to your unique situation, and she did a very good job laying out some examples of how we look at it. She mentioned standard of living. That is vitally important to us. So if you're tuning in for the first time just watching this, you have to identify what that standard of living is. If you've been a long time watcher or listener, then you know that we talk about standard of living a lot. And so if your standard of living is being met by maybe a pension and social security and other income sources to where you have enough money to live, to meet your lifestyle and your wants and wishes, then risk tolerance really is just a matter of making sure we have you in the right things for the goals that you're trying to accomplish. And so risk is a very scary topic, but we talk about it and we drill it down into your situation specifically. So if you have questions or if you want just an overall review of your financial journey, please reach out to us. You can schedule your complimentary next steps meeting today. That's where we will look at your situation over an hour and a half meeting, give you things to think about today, things to think about in the future, and if we decide to partner together, a written plan of how FEG will help guide you on your unique financial journey. Scan that QR code. You'll get booked to one of our advisors on our team. If you have specific questions, always send those to talk to FEG at yourlifeafterwork.com, or you can pick up the good old telephone 800-928-4001. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.